hata kuwe kuna shida, Bwana Yesu ameshinda. Hata mambo yawe magumu, Bwana Yesu ameshinda. Hali yako iwe mbaya, Bwana Yesu ameshinda. Tembea kwenye mwanga, anapenda.
Hello good people, welcome all to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Millionaire. On today's video we are going to look at the life of the late Kaberere aka Kabs. So Peter Kaberere died the year 2014, 6th April 2014. He was a Kenyan singer, mostly in Swahili pop and zouk and contemporary gospel music. Kaberere, also known as Kabs after his surname, began his career with the music group Jogsi, which had Lena Ochieng and Novine as members, and merged with Gospel Fathers to form Zaidi ya Mziki. Kaberere later launched a solo musical career. He released the album Kiburi that produced the hit Kiburi. Famous hits on this album include Nisamehe, and he collaborated with Mr. V in the hit song Just Away. He also featured in Monake by Benachi. Kaberere worked as logistic operations manager at Mo Sounds Event, a company that hosted the annual Gospel Awards, Groove Awards, and the Safaricom live concerts. So Kaberere was a talented artist, gospel artist, and you all know some of his hit songs like Kiburi, Mwanake, Just the Way. But sadly he was electrocuted at his own car wash, so aliweza kupigwa shock pale na ilikuwa so emotional. He was just full of good health, but unfortunately he was electrocuted at his own car wash. So Kaberere was married to Njesh aka Njesh wa Kabs, and they had a son, and they were also expecting their second child, a daughter who was born after his burial at the Langata cemetery. So that is Kaberere for you guys. He was married to Njesh, and before his death they had a son, and they were expecting their second child, a daughter who was born after the burial of Kaberere. So it was a sad moment. At Kaberere always remains a legend in Kenyan gospel music fraternity, and he is always remembered for the good work that he did to the ministry. So continue resting in peace, Kaberere. It is now 12 years since the death of this legend Kaberere, and we all miss him. So guys, continue watching the video to see some of the memories and the things that Kaberere did while he was alive.
nilijuta mie, eti sifai kuwa nawe. Uliniona mie, eti hatia kula nawe. Wamechimba shimo niingie, utaingia wewe. Wameweka mitego nipitie, sitaingia wewe. Nisamehe, maana ninapotoka mbali. Nisamehe mimi.
Natamani kuwa nawe, nawe, kukaa nawe kila siku.
Sikuwa na kitu, sikuwa na kitu. Sasa umenibariki, kiburi chanipenda. Wacha nianguke, naona historically Daddy Owen. Nijibu swali moja Daddy Owen, mbona sina mtu karibu miaka 7? From the first day I met you, sijapigwa na baridi, blanketi umenipa.